Hello students, how are you? Today I am teaching you income effect, price effect and substitution effect in indifference curve analysis. Yesterday I taught you how consumer get equilibrium point through indifference curve analysis. I taught you that this indifference curve analysis is based on the ordinal concept of utility approach, and with the help of this indifference curve analysis, how consumer get equilibrium point with the help of indifference map and budget line. These all terms are not familiar to you until and unless you will not watch my earlier video. If you have not watched my earlier video, then I request you to watch that, and then only you can understand my this topic: income effect, price effect, and substitution effect. Now I start with the class, that is in price effect, income effect and substitution effect in indifference curve analysis. In this class I will teach you that how change in price or change in income affects the consumer's decision of buying goods. So at first I will teach you the concept of indifference curve and budget line, that I have already taught you. And in this video I will teach you that how price effect will be decomposed into substitution effect and income effect, and we will analyze the behavior of normal, inferior and given goods also in this class. Now this already I have taught you that indifference curve shows this is not new to you, that indifference curve shows combination of two goods giving the consumer equal satisfaction. You know, the combination of two goods giving equal satisfaction. And budget line shows combination of affordable goods, that is given on given income and prices. And consumer's equilibrium will be at this point. This I have already taught you in detail in the previous video, so please go to my channel and watch that video, then only you will able to understand this class. Now the price effect. What's the definition of price effect? Price effect is the total change in the quantity demanded. You know, total change in the quantity demanded of a good due to change in its own price, holding money income and price of other goods remain constant. When price effect, what price effect shows? Price effect shows the total change in quantity demanded of a good due to change in its own price, holding money income and the price of another commodities constant. This is known as price effect. Fall in price of good X will be what will be the effect of fall in price of good X? The budget line will be pivots outward. Consumer moves from one equilibrium to a new higher indifference curve. As you see in the diagram, see in this diagram here, on x-axis we have taken the good X and good Y, and PL is the primary the price line or budget line of a consumer. Now the price of X commodity falls. As soon as the price of X commodity falls, what will happen? The price line will move. Now but consumer can purchase more units of good X, so the price line will shift outward, and now the price line PL new price line will be PL1. Then when price falls, now the new price line will be PL2, and consumer will move from IC1 to IC2, IC2 to IC3. These all equilibrium points A, B, C, when we join all these equilibrium points, the price, the curve which we get, that is known as PCC. PCC means price consumption curve. In this diagram, you can see that as the price of X commodity decreases, the demand of X commodity increases, like this. So this shows the price effect. Consumer moves from one equilibrium to a new higher IC, that is from IC1 to IC3. Now in this in this second diagram you can see that good Y, the price of commodity Y is decreasing, so consumer can purchase more units of commodity Y. So the first price line is PL, now P1L and P2L, and consumer moves from IC1 to IC2, IC3, and when we join all these points, this is known as price consumption curve. Now see the third diagram here. For price consumer curve, consumption curve is a straight line. Here the price of X commodity continuously decreasing, and consumer is spending its whole increase in real income on price on commodity X, and price consumption curve is a straight line. Means as the price of this X commodity decreases, price line moves outward, and this is known as price consumption curve. Like this price effect, the total change in quantity demanded of a good due to change in its own price, holding money income and the price of the other goods constant. Now next effect is substitution effect. Substitution effect is the change in quantity demanded due to change in relative price while keeping real satisfaction constant. In this substitution effect, the consumer stays on the same indifference curve. Means consumer will move in price effect, consumer will move from one indifference curve to another indifference curve, but in substitution effect, the consumer will remain on the same indifference curve. Like this, suppose this is the price line, and now the price of X commodity decreases, and new price line will be like this. Now see this, how suppose consumer is in equilibrium at this A point. Now when price decreases, now consumer will shift from this to this, IC1 to IC2, from A point to B point, and this is known as PCC. This already I have taught you. When consumer moves from A point to B point, that is PCC, price consumption curve. This is due to change in price. Now see, what we want to say, that consumer should remain on the same indifference curve. Means the consumer will not go to the higher indifference curve. For this, as soon as the price decreases of X commodity, we just take the money, whatever money extra consumer have, that we will take from him, and we want to keep the consumer on the same indifference curve. Means when we take his money, then the consumer will move, then his price line will be moved from downward, and this point from, but the consumer will buy more units of good X, and this movement from A to C is known as substitution effect. Like this, in substitution effect, consumer will remain on the same indifference curve, and whatever the change in real income due to change in prices, we just take that income from him so that he should remain on the same indifference curve. And in diagram, from A to B movement, this is price effect, but from A to C movement, this is substitution effect. Substitution effect will always be, due to substitution effect, consumer will always tend to try to buy the cheaper goods. Means he will always try to purchase cheaper goods instead of the expensive goods. Then substitution effect is always positive due to towards the cheaper goods, and whenever there is a price it decreases, the quantity purchased will be increases. Like this is known as compensated budget line. This budget line which I have drawn just now to the parallel to the PL1, that is the compensated budget line. This is P1, P2, L2. We can name this line as P2, L2. See first, at first PL is the price line, and at A point consumer is in equilibrium. When price falls, the new price line will be PL1, and consumer will move from IC1 to IC2, and new equilibrium will be at B point. The movement from A to B point is known as PCC, price consumption curve. Due to change in price, this movement is there. But what we do, we just compensate the change in income due to change in price, so that consumer should remain on the same indifference curve. So we can draw one price line again parallel to this price line, and due to in this price line you can see the consumer will not remain on the same A point. Consumer will move from A to C, and this movement from A to C is known as substitution effect. This movement is known as substitution effect. And from A to B is known as price effect. Now from C to B, this is income effect. Substitution effect diagram I have already taught you. Now the income effect. Income effect is the change in quantity demanded due to change in real income, means change in purchasing power. Relative prices held constant. Then the main features of the income effect is consumer moves to a higher or lower indifference curve. Whenever the income increases, consumer moves from lower indifference curve to higher indifference curve, and direction depends on the type of good. That is normal good if income effect is positive, inferior good if it is negative, given goods if it is strongly negative. This I will teach you in another video in detail, but today I have taught you the income effect and price effect. Sorry, in price effect and substitution effect. So price effect is change in equilibrium due to change in prices. Substitution effect is the change in the quantity demanded due to change in relative prices, while keeping the real income constant. We are keeping the real income constant. Whatever income increases due to less prices, we just take that income from the consumer, and we want to keep the consumer on the same indifference curve by keeping his real income constant. Consumer stays on the same indifference curve. Then substitution effect and income effect I will teach you in another video next, because this will be very lengthy and you will not be able to understand these all three effects simultaneously. So just wait for my next video, and till that I request you if you have not watched my earlier video of indifference curve analysis, then I request you to watch that video. And if you like that, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Your subscribe, your share, your comments will motivate me to make more and more videos for you. Thank you very much.